Welcome to today's tips and tricks video brought to you by Planet Technologies and the Evolve 365 team. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can use conditional formatting in Excel to quickly identify trends or duplicates within your data. First, let's start with identifying duplicates. In my data set, I have duplicates in my country column. But in order to quickly find these, I can select the column, come up to the home area of my ribbon, and then select conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting, I'm going to select the highlight cell rules and duplicate values. Excel will immediately identify any duplicate values in your data range. If you have more unique values than duplicates, you can adjust which one you want to identify. You can also customize the color and formatting applied to your cells. Once you have your selections made, click OK, and those formatting options will be applied to the cells as selected. At this point, you can quickly review which cells have duplicates or unique values by coming up to the Filter tool and choosing to sort or filter based on a color. Additionally, if it's time to remove duplicates from your data set, you can come up to the Data tab and select Remove Duplicates. This will allow you to choose which columns you want to review for duplicates and have Excel automatically remove those from your dataset. Now let's take a look at how we can apply conditional formatting to financial data. On my Financials tab, I'm going to select my Gross Sales column. From here, I'm going to apply a conditional formatting rule to help me identify trends within my gross sales. To do this, I'm going to come back into the home area of my ribbon and select conditional formatting. This time, I'm going to come into the highlight cell rules and I'm going to choose more rules. For this option, I can customize my rule to fit my needs so that I can spot specific trends based on metrics and benchmarks that are important in my data. You can choose the type of rule, whether you want to format all of the cells based on their values or choose another rule type. You can also choose your format style from colors to data to icon sets. Icon sets are going to ensure you have the most accessible option visible to all users. Instead of choosing a color option, you can actually choose an icon set that is going to resonate with all users. Once you select your formatting style and icons, you can then come in and designate your thresholds and benchmarks. With this current setup, the top third and the bottom third items will be identified separate from the middle group. You can also reverse your icon orders or choose to show only the icons instead of the values in your cells and the icons simultaneously. This would give you a cleaner look, but also make it harder to see the true data values. Once you're happy with your conditional formatting rule, click OK, and Excel will immediately apply those icon sets to your designated cells. I can quickly spot which cells are in the top third, bottom third, middle group, just based on their icons. This allows me to quickly visualize data sets, and when I'm looking at expenses, I can even reverse the icon sets so that I can quickly identify higher expenses from lower expenses. Icons and conditional formatting help you quickly find and analyze your data. Whether there's patterns or trends in your data that are easy to see with highlighting or icons, you can quickly apply these, saving time in your day-to-day tasks. Be sure to check back for additional videos, tips, and tricks. Thanks, and have a great day.